How do natural gas companies forecast demand for their products? Have you ever wondered how natural gas companies know how much gas to supply? It's a fascinating process that combines data, technology, and a bit of forecasting magic. Let's break it down. Natural gas companies forecast demand by analyzing historical data, using mathematical models, and considering external factors. This helps them predict future natural gas consumption accurately. One of the key elements in this process is historical consumption data. Companies look at past usage patterns to understand how much gas was used in different situations. For example, when it gets colder, more people turn on their heaters, which increases demand. On warmer days, demand typically drops. So, weather conditions play a significant role in forecasting. To make sense of all this data, companies use mathematical models. One common method is called multiple linear regression. This model looks at various factors like temperature, day of the week, and economic indicators to predict daily gas demand. Another advanced approach is using artificial neural networks. These models can handle complex patterns and learn from large amounts of data, making them more accurate over time. Demand forecasting is not one-size-fits-all. Companies segment their forecasts based on customer types. For instance, they look at transmission-connected industrial and commercial sectors, distribution-connected sectors, and residential customers. Each group has its own unique consumption patterns, which means they need different forecasting methods. Economic factors also come into play. For example, if the economy is growing, companies might expect higher demand for natural gas. They consider factors like gross domestic product growth and energy efficiency targets to adjust their forecasts accordingly. Accurate forecasting is essential for utilities. It helps them ensure they have enough gas supply and transportation capacity. This way, they can minimize storage costs and avoid service interruptions. Additionally, as demand patterns change, such as more natural gas being used for electricity generation, companies can adapt their forecasts. In practice, natural gas companies use specialized forecasting software. This software integrates all the models and data inputs to create daily, hourly, and seasonal demand forecasts. These forecasts are continuously updated as new data comes in, allowing companies to stay on top of changing consumption patterns. So, the next time you turn on your heater or cook with gas, remember that a lot of thought and analysis goes into ensuring that gas is available when you need it. Natural gas demand forecasting is a dynamic process that combines statistical analysis, machine learning, and sector-specific knowledge to keep everything running smoothly.